What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Isn't it a beautiful day? We've got bright blue sky, sunshine, almost no wind. Gorgeous day, gorgeous. And then over here, what do we have? Oh my God, what is this? No, he didn't. Yes, he did. Uberman purchased a 1977 Chevy C20 Bonanza. Now this sucker, long bed, 350 V8 to the best of my knowledge, it's a 350. 410 gears in the rear, so let me tell you, she will get up and move. Not to mention she pulls. We have a fifth wheel saddle. You got your fifth wheel hitch over here. Yeah, it actually has a fifth wheel. Not a fifth wheel like a fifth tire, a fifth wheel like a semi-truck. It's hard to see, but it's under this toolbox right here. This toolbox is not bolted in. But if well, never mind, I'm not lifting that up on my own. Anyway, you got a fifth wheel receiver right there. We have all of the original hubcaps. Very straight body. I mean very straight body, unbelievably straight body. Original mirrors, like I said, the original hubcaps. Here's the Bonanza. I mean, this is just a beautiful specimen of a classic square body Chevy. I can't believe how straight it is. I can't believe how original it is. And I know you're like, it's missing a hubcap. No, it's not. Look at this interior. Yet again, for a 1977, this is a 40-year-old truck. All right, there's your hubcap, by the way, right there. Yes, the glove box did fall out on me last night. That's something I'm gonna have to fix. But even the ashtray, you can see the ashtray is clean. We have a cigarette lighter that actually works. All of the gauges work. All of the lights and signals work. Even the dome light works. Here's the headliner. The carpet is just magnificent. Look at this. Now the door panels are a little aged. You know, that's perfectly normal. Weather stripping is going to need to be sealed again, especially around this window where somebody decided to put some caulking on it. You know, windows need resealed. Minor stuff. Let's go over to the driver's side. So we're about to take it to get some exhaust work done. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there she is, right there. The exhaust is just gone, completely cut off. So, you know, that's something we want to get taken care of. I like loud, but this is just this is loud to where it's like obnoxious and not cool sounding at all. Here's the other door panel right here. Not too shabby. The seat definitely needs reupholstered. Still even has the horn, and it works. The heater works, the AC does not work. We have a trailer brake right here, which does work. Let's see if we could fire it up. One of these keys goes to it, and it's not that one. I guess it's that one. There we go. Pump the gas because it's carbureted. And yes, the radio works.
But let us to the third consideration is that couple thing. It normally is, or I mean, there's times that You just have to say, hey, look at
How about that, right? Let's pop the hood on this bad boy. So what do you think? We got us a 3/4 ton pickup truck for $3,200. It's got a tight suspension, good running motor, good shifting, TH400 transmission, brand new Edelbrock carburetor, recent tune-up. Gonna need some work here and there, but overall a strong running truck that I drove over 100 miles, sight unseen. I just went and gave the guys money, got the title, and I drove it 100 miles home. What do you guys think? I'm taking it to the exhaust shop right now. Leave me a comment below. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you very soon in the next one.